Need to program a new key fob for your 2017-2020 Chevy Suburban? It's a manageable DIY project, but precision is key. These Suburbans use RFID transponder technology for remote start, locking, unlocking, and passive entry. Programming syncs the fob's unique ID with your Suburban's body control module, BCM. This video will guide you through it. Note, if you have all keys lost, you will need to visit a dealership. Here's how to program your key. First, ensure your Suburban is off, doors closed, and all fobs are present. Second, access the Driver Information Center via the trip odometer button to enter Relearn Remote Key Mode for 2017-2019 models, or use ignition cycling for all 2017-2020 models. Insert the existing key, turn to on, then back to off within 10 seconds, repeating 3 to 5 times. Third, press buttons on the new fob to program it. The vehicle confirms with horn chirps or DIC messages. Fourth, repeat for additional fobs. Exit by driving the vehicle or waiting 1 minute. Safety. Avoid disconnecting the battery. If issues arise or the process fails, consult a professional.